Yo guys, what is going on? And thank you for checking out the video. A buddy of mine recently got the Talaria XXX, and as you guys know, I'm very much interested in potentially getting one. So we're gonna go meet up with him. He's gonna let me test ride it. I'll see what I think of it, and let you guys know my thoughts. See if I want to get one. Yo, what's up? How we doing?
Good.
You got this beauty. You got some stickers on here now.
Yeah, I made those on the cricket machine.
You put this on too, right? Did it come with this?
New.
Yeah, that's new. All right, I'm gonna take this. You want to try mine out, dude? You never ridden it.
That's all right. Oh, and quick, John. So you just want to. Then you got the fob.
That's sweet.
And then as soon as you hit this red button, you're ready to go.
Yep. And I assume you have the brake sensors on too, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, XXX test. See how this thing feels. Dang. I'm in sport, right? Oh no, I'm in eco. There we go. Now we're in sport mode on the XXX. Oh, there we go. All right. Brakes actually feel pretty decent for stock. You got these nice big Supermoto wheels. I like the way it sounds. It sounds badass. The seat is definitely a lot longer than stock. Is this bent? What is good with this peg? I think this spun around on me. Oh, that needs to be tightened, Joe. Huh. Try and pull this up. I think the brake sensors are plugged in though, so let's try a little circle test on it. Yeah, so when you pull the brake, it just cuts power. So it's kind of hard to wheelie with these brake sensors in. This feels good though, man. It's definitely got some good torque. Like, this peg's spinning. Oh my God. Yeah, that balance point feels good too. Just need to take these sensors off, then it would be perfect. But I don't want to mess with Joe's bike. Let's try and pull it up, just going here. So the brake sensor had me cut out there, but that feels good, dude. That balance point feels good. And it feels just like a lot more substantial than the Razor. It's hard to explain with the Razor. Even though I've upgraded suspension, even though I have all the power in the world, the Supermoto wheels and so on, it's just a really light bike that feels, I don't want to say flimsy, but it feels a little flimsy. This feels like an actual like bike. Feels like an actual bike. And we could wheelie this thing all day if I had those brake sensors out. Oh my God, easy, smooth as butter. And this is completely stock, which is crazy. That's so much more power than a Sur-Ron. Let's take it up the street, see how fast we can get her going. This is sport mode. So it's obviously not as crazy as the Razor. The Razor's 15 kilowatts. This is, I think, 6.5. But we're doing 48 uphill right now, 49. Easily up to 49 uphill, no problem. Wonder if it's hard to wheelie at speed though here. Probably something I'll have to get used to. All right, let's slow her down, spin around. This feels good though, guys. And I think it feels, at least when I'm riding it, a lot bigger than a Razor. Woo! Guys, I might have to cop one of these. It'll be a perfect companion to the Razor. And the biggest thing is it's not like 10 grand like a Sur-Ron will cost upgraded, or I guess there's the E-Ride Pro for 5 grand, but it's still 2 grand difference. So I don't know, this thing feels good though. Woo! Let's get on the trail so we don't get his bike all dirty. Hope you don't mind this, Joe. Ooh, squigging. We'll just come down these stairs. No problemo. Yeah guys, I really like this. Let me know if you want to see it on the channel. I mean, this is probably the most realistic next bike for the channel. It wheelies great, dude. It wheelies great. And this is with the sensors in. If we unplug, I think it's this sensor, but I don't want to f around with it, like I said. If we unplug one of those sensors, then it'll be even easier. But it's like a little wheelie beast, dude. It feels good, man. I really like this. The Supermotos feel awesome. All right, we'll bring it back to Joe. Your one peg is it needs to be tightened, I think.
Which one?
This one was like spinning.
Is it a little loose?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. But yeah, guys, like I was saying to Joe, I really like this platform. I think it's a great size. I don't think it's going to be too close in size to this because we're still looking at like probably 3, 4, even 5 inches difference in height on this, but it feels way more substantial. I don't know if it's the bigger wheels. I don't know if it's better suspension, but it just feels more substantial. It feels like sort of like a Suron when I rode for the first time, or the Sting R for the first time. It feels like an actual bike, so I might have to do it. Joe, you're the man. Thank you for letting me ride it.
Oh, you're leaving too?
All right, later, guys. I'll be over there, like I said. All right, guys. So just quick test of that Talaria XXX. I really like it. I think it wheelies super nice. I think it feels good. Power delivery is good. It's pretty linear. It's not overwhelming. Obviously, nothing is going to be overwhelming when you come from a Razor that does 60 and is 15 kilowatts. But I really like it, and I think it could be a great addition to the fleet. So let me know in the comments what you think. I'm kind of already sold on it though. Okay guys, so on to the actual point of this video, which is I need to get some practice in. I've actually got a whole list of new tricks that I want to continue to learn on the Razor this year, so I'm going to show them on screen right here. I would show you on my phone, but I'm somehow locked out. Let's just get some practice in. I know a couple of things that we want to try are hand drags. We want to get those consistently. We want to try seat standers, and we want to try a couple combos. So let's just ride. Let's just practice. Okay, so first up, let's get our hand drag in. Want to do this every time we ride now. Oh, didn't get it there. And what we want to do is be able to do this hand drag and then subsequently keep the front wheel up. So do the hand drag, get back, keep the front wheel up. As one way Corey gave me some advice to lean my body further back as opposed to the bike, and it helps a lot, as you can see. Oh, we got back to the throttle. We just we're a little too hard on the brake. We just got to be a little lighter on the rear brake, then we'll be a little better. But this is good, just getting the muscle memory for these hand drags. Oh, let's go. That might have been our first successful hand drag to then keep the front wheel up, so that feels good. Light work now. Another one. Yeah, guys, these are feeling good. I just want to get them consistently, which we're doing. There we go, baby. Hand drags all day. Let's try and give combos a go, I think. Combos. So sit down. Knee knock. Foot over. Foot down. Then we want to go to side saddle, but I don't think I've ever really side saddled a wheelie. Not straight, at least. We do a little side saddle circle. Hey, what's going on? Is that the Apollo? Hell yeah.
So, like, I saw you from up there.
Yeah.
I was trying to figure out what
I'm Connor.
my name's Drake.
Trey, nice to meet you, bro.
I'm trying to figure out how to fucking wheelie and shit. I see you, like, tapping that joint up. Right?
Yeah.
Any tips?
You want to get an idea of where balance point is. So we're going to really want to sit side saddle here. And you'll just like kind of go around like this to see where balance point is, which I'm not even at balance point yet on this thing. It's probably like all the way up here. So you'll bring it all the way up. That was almost it there. So we got him on the mini. Get our circles to start. All right, let's get a hand drag. Woo! Tearing through these gloves. Hey, he looks so friendly. Yeah, he's got a beautiful coat too. Have a good rest of your day. I guess we're really just focusing on hand drags today. There we go. Sit down. Knee knock. Alright, next up, let's try some seat standers. These plastics don't feel very secure. Hand drags all day, baby. We're so comfortable with them now too, is the thing. Like, these just feel super locked in. Yeah, it's really hard to wheelie that Apollo though. With those brake sensors. Oh, and we kept it up. Let's go. Let's go. Try combo again. Combos are like my least favorite, to be honest. Like, I hate these tricks. Ooh. That's pretty cool. Who else is wheelie and side saddle both feet up like this, huh? Oh. That's where you fall the other way, which usually sucks. Yeah, guys, we did get a little bit distracted throughout this whole video, but it's all good. It's fun. Meeting new people. Oh, oh! Good save! What a save! Oh, hell. Yeah, but, maybe not as much lot time as we expected, but still a ton of fun. And I'm loving how hand drags are doing, and so are my gloves. Oh, and we kept that one up. Let's go. Into the tight circle. Into the jump. Into the spin turn. Into the... Oh, trials. That wasn't good. Yeah, dude, I'm just trying to practice it over and over again so I can do it whenever. Oh, kept that one up, baby. Guys, let me know if you enjoy this lot day stuff. It's actually a lot of fun. Progressing. Woo. We're gonna be hand dragging all over Tampa, baby. The Apollo RFN wheelie practice. Those sensors don't help though. Oh! Yeah. Send me your channel too so I can check it out. Instagram. It's in your Instagram? Oh, okay, word. Ride safe. Guys, well, as you can tell, it's pretty dark here, so I think I'm going to call it. But I hope you enjoyed this type of video. We were kind of all over the place in this one. Should I get a Talaria XXX? Probably. Do you like the latte footage? Let me know. Ooh, yeah. But I got plenty of content to come, guys. Some drivetrain upgrades coming to the Razor soon. I'm not going to say anything more than that, but you will see soon. But anyways, I'll catch you guys later. Peace.